Welcome to this full demo of StockUnify. Today, I'll walk you through the essential workflows, including product setup, sales workflow, purchasing workflow, reporting, settings, and more. When you log into StockUnify, you will see the main dashboard along with the side navigation menu. On the dashboard, you can view your key business insights, such as business summary, ongoing purchase orders, top-selling products, and the low stock alerts. From the low stock alerts section, you can add product to the reorder cart. From the reorder cart, you can create a purchase order right away. The side menu contains different modules, and I will go through one by one later. Let's start it with the inventory. Go to the inventory menu. Click the Manage Products, where you will see your full product list. And this is also where you can search for product to check its real-time stock levels. If you'd like to view more details about this product, click on the product name to open the Product Details page, where you will see more details about this product. And also you can see a product change history. Under the Stock Level tab, you can see the current stock levels across multiple locations and also the reorder level, bin locations, product average cost, and on-hold quantities. If this product is batch tracked or serialized, you will also see a Batch Numbers tab, where you can view all the available batch numbers under different locations. Let's have a look at how to add a new product in StockUnify. Go to Inventory, click on the Add New Product. The product code must be unique, and it will be used to match products with other connected systems, such as Xero and Service M8. The code can be auto-generated, or you can use your own code. The product type can be product or service. If it's a service type, we do not track the stock levels, but it can also be added into orders. You can select a category and a unit of measurement for this product. Select the default supplier, which will be used to group the products together in the reorder cart. The reference field often used to store the supplier's product code, which can be printed on the downloaded PDFs, such as packing slip, invoice, and purchase order. In StockUnify, you can track products' serial numbers and batch numbers. If the product is set as serialized or batch tracked, you will need to select the serial number or batch numbers during and stock in and out process. If you would like to track stock levels in Xero as well, you can set the product as sync to Xero as a track inventory item, then map different Xero accounts for each product. If you do not select the Xero accounts here, the global Xero mapped accounts will be used when sync bills and invoices to Xero. You also can manage product image and dimensions in StockUnify. If you would like to pick up products to orders by using a barcode scanner, you need to manage the barcode firstly here. The reorder level is the stock alert point. When the product stock level falls below this point, the product will be added to the product alert report and displayed on the low stock alert section on the dashboard. The sales price is the product unit sales price. And the latest cost is the product's unit purchase cost. This latest cost field value will be auto-updated when a new cost is recorded in a purchase order. Save the product as approved, and it will be able to add to orders. If you would like to add initial stock levels to the product, you can create a stock adjustment order. Go to Inventory and click the Stock Adjustment. Click the New Stock Adjustment button to open the New Stock Adjustment page. Select the location and the adjust type. Type some keywords to search for products. Add product to the order and enter the adjusted quantity. The unit cost will use the product's latest cost, but you can overwrite it if needed. Save the order as approved. As this product is Xero tracked, it will also be sent to Xero. After Proceed, if you open this product, you will find the stock level has been updated. If you go to Xero System, you will find the new product has been added and the stock level also been updated in Xero System. If you already managed all your products in Xero System, the most efficient way to add products to StockUnify is to import the products from Xero directly. Go to the Integration tab, click the Manage Integration, click the Configuration button on the Xero card. Under the Import tab, click the Import products from Xero. Then an import task will be created. After the task finished, all the products were imported from Xero to StockUnify. If the product is inventory tracked item in Xero, the stock level will be also imported into StockUnify. After you imported products to StockUnify, we recommend you start to create new products or manage transactions from StockUnify directly. Next, let's walk through a complete sales workflow, starting from creating a quote, then converting it into a sales, delivering stock, and finally send the sales order to Xero. To create a new quote, navigate to Sales menu and click on the New Quote. On the New Quote page, select the sale location, issue date, expiry date, and the quote number. Select a customer from the drop-down menu, or type some keywords to search for customers. You also can create a new customer from here. Add products to the order by typing some keywords. Enter the sales quantity. You also can add additional charges to this quote. After it is ready, save the quote. Now you can email the quote to your customer directly from StockUnify. Or you can download the quote. The quote PDF template is fully customizable. You can add your own logo or other information to this template. Once your customer accepts the quote, you can mark it as accepted. And now you can convert the quote to a sales order. The customer information and all the products will be auto-brought into the sales order. You also can create a sales order without the quote process. Navigate to Sales, click on the new sales order. Enter the location and order numbers. Select a customer from the drop-down list or tap some keywords to search for a customer. Or you can create a new customer here. Type some keywords to search for products, add the products to the order. On each product line, you will see the current stock levels, and if the product has no stock or the stock runs lower than the reorder point, you will see a warning icon. Click on the icon. You can add the product to the reorder cart. Then later you can create a purchase order from the reorder cart. You also can add additional charges to the order. Enter the sales quantity. If you save the sales order as draft, the stock levels will remain unchanged. If some products in this order are out of stock, you only can save it as backorder. If you would like to approve the sales order and dispatch it right now, save it as approved and delivered, then the stock level will be reduced and the order status will change to fulfilled. If you want to hold stock for a customer, you can save the order as approved only. Then the stock will be hold and you can deliver the order later. Let's save this order as approved only. Now you can download the packing slip. The packing slip template is fully customizable. Or you can email the sales order to your customer directly from StockUnify. And now, if you're ready to deliver the sales order, click on the Pack and Deliver button. You can partially deliver a sales order. If the product is batch tracked, it will ask you to select the batch number. Click on the Deliver Order button. Then from the sales order page, you will find the delivered quantity has been updated. And a packing note will be generated for this delivery record. You can download the packing note. Let's deliver the other products of the sales order. Click the Pack and Deliver button, select the batch number, and deliver the order. Now, all the products have been delivered, the status will change to fulfilled. Next, you can send the order to Xero. Click the Send Order to Xero button, and a Xero task will be created. After the task successfully proceeded, a Xero link will be shown on the sales order page. Click on the Xero link, it will navigate you to the Xero invoice page, then you can manage your payment from there. Let's go back to StockUnify. To view all the sales orders, navigate to the Sales menu, click the All Sales Order. On the All Sales Order page, you can find all the history sales orders. You can filter the sales order by status, location, and order's date. You also can search for sales order by the customer name or the order number. To view a sales order, click on the order number to open the sales order. Next, let's walk in through the purchase workflow, from creating a purchase order, receiving stock, and sync bill to Xero. Navigate to the Purchase menu. Click the New Purchase Order. Enter the issue date, location, and order number. Select the supplier from the drop-down menu, or create a new supplier from here. Add products to this order and enter the order quantity. Once it is ready, save the order as approved. Now you can print the purchase order. The purchase order template is also fully customizable. And you can email the purchase order to your supplier directly from StockUnify as well. Once you receive the stock at your warehouse, click the Receive Stock button on the purchase order page on the Receive Stock page. Enter the supplier's invoice information. If the product is batch tracked, it will ask you to add batch numbers. Proceed with Receive Stock, and that is the point you can send the purchase order to Xero. After the purchase order sent to Xero, an Xero link will be shown on the purchase order page. Click on the link, it will bring you to the Xero system. Let's go back to StockUnify. You also can create purchase order from the reorder cart. Go to the Business Intelligence menu. Click the Smart Reorder cart. In the Reorder cart, the products are grouped by supplier and location. For each supplier, you can check all the low-stock products from the same supplier and then create purchase order from there. The products will be automatically added to the purchase order. Save the order as approved, then receive the stock of the purchase order. To view all the purchase order, navigate to the purchase, click on the All Purchase Order. You can filter orders by the status, location, order date, and also you can search for order by the supplier name or order number. To view a purchase order, click on the order number to open the purchase order. That's the purchase process in StockUnify. After a product has transaction records, you can view all historical movements on the stock logs page. Simply open the product details, then click Stock Logs. You will see every stock change over time, along with the related transaction orders. By clicking an order number, you can quickly navigate to the order details. Next, let's have a look at the system settings. From the Settings menu, you can manage the system users and roles. In StockUnify, you can define the role permissions. By yourself, we have over 70 permissions available. Once you have a role created, you can invite new users, create a new user, and assign them the role. You can set multiple tax rates and set up price tiers, and you also can track the sales order and purchase order by project. You can define the adjustment reasons. You can set up the email templates for purchase order, sales order, and quote. You can customize the PDF templates. For the purchase order and the sales orders, you can define the order number pattern and the default tax rule. If you have multiple locations, you can add the new location from the company settings under the Location tab. If you want to manage bin locations, you also can add bin locations from there. Next, let's have a look at the reporting. In StockUnify, we provide different types of reports. We have Stock on Hand Report, Stock Take Report, Stock Alert Report, Stock Movements Report, Sales Report, and Purchase Report. If you can't find the report you need in the report list, please feel free to reach out to us. We can create a tailored report specifically for your requirements. That's all for today's demo. I hope you found it informative and now have a clear overview of how StockUnify can support your business. Feel free to sign up for a free trial to explore all the features in more detail. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to helping your business grow with StockUnify.